work. All forms of energy are associated with motion. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but only changed from one form to another. There are different forms of energy. They are solar energy. It is the energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source available. It is used to generate electricity, providing light or a comfortable interior environment and for industrial use. Wind energy. Wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through which wind turbines to turn electrical generators for electric power. It is a sustainable and renewable energy source as compared to fossil fuels. Light energy. Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy capable of allowing various forms of light visible to the human eyes. Light is a type of electromagnetic radiation produced by hot objects such as lasers, bulb, and sunlight. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is caused by moving electrical charges called electron. The faster the charges move, the more electrical energy they carry. As the charges that cause the energy are moving, electrical energy is a form of kinetic energy. Thermal energy. Thermal energy refers to the energy contained within a system that is responsible for its temperature. Heat is the flow of thermal energy. It deals with how heat is transformed between different systems and how the work done in the process. Sound energy. Sound energy is defined as the movement of vibrations through matter. Sound energy is produced when an object vibrates, which results in noise. The sound vibrations cause waves of pressure that travels through a medium such as air, water, wood, or metal. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy of chemical substances that is released when they undergo a chemical reaction and transform into other substances. Breaking and remaking of chemical bonds involves energy which may be either absorbed or evolved from a chemical system. Energy that can be released or absorbed because of a reaction between chemical substance is equal to the difference between the energy content of the product and the reactant. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the use of nuclear reactions to produce electricity. Nuclear power can be obtained from nuclear fission, nuclear decay, and nuclear fusion reactions. Presently, the vast majority of electricity from nuclear power is produced by nuclear fission of uranium and plutonium in nuclear power plants. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy that held by an object because of its position relative to other objects, stress within itself, its electrical charge, or other factors. Or potential energy as a form of energy that results from the alteration of its position or state. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a form of energy that an object or a particle has by reason of its motion. If work which transforms energy is done on an object by applying net of force, the object speeds up and thereby gaining kinetic energy. That is, kinetic energy is a property of a moving object or a particle and depends not only on its motion but also its mass. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. It is a macroscopic energy associated with a system. The principle of conservation of mechanical energy states that if an isolated system is subjected only to conservative force, then the mechanical energy is constant. Radiant energy. Radiant energy, also known as electromagnetic radiation, it is the energy transmitted without the movement of mass. Practically speaking, this is the energy found in electromagnetic waves, also known as light. Light is made up of individual particles called photons, each carrying a small packet of energy. Elastic energy. Elastic energy is energy stored as a result of applying force to deform an elastic object. The energy is stored until the force is removed and the object springs back to its original shape, doing work in the process. The deformation involves compressing, stretching, or twisting the object.